Hi guys, it's Christy Wiesen and welcome to my blog. It's a wonderful afternoon here in our place in Salag, Tabogon. I just got back from the city and so we are going for a stroll around our property and we are checking out, especially I am checking out all of the plants that I've planted 1 year ago when we bought our place, and all of them are blooming right now. There's lots of flowers and my beautiful gardens. It's just amazing to watch this nature. It is such a breath of fresh air for me. It's my go-to thing when I am at home and just be happy. And TJ and Tom went with me and just walking around and having fun. So I hope you get to do this, you get to garden at home, and you get to feel good because, being in nature, it's such a very good healing practice to practice every day in our lives. So this is our beautiful place. You can see the greens and you can see nature, you can see all my plants and everything. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this short compilation of what our afternoon looks like strolling around our property in Salag, Tabogon. Christy Wiesen here. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on my next vlog. Thank you. Goodbye. Oh my goodness, guys, look at my snake plant. This is the first time ever that I've seen this kind of snake plant bloom. My goodness, it's so pretty. Oh, brownie. It's so pretty, guys.